Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer quick and easy pork chops. This is a great recipe when you're short on time and you just want to get dinner on the table. With just a handful of ingredients, you can have a delicious recipe for your family. I'll show you the ingredients and how to make it. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need for these quick and easy pork chops made in the air fryer. 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or any kind of chili powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, so 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or olive oil, and 3 boneless pork chops about 1 inch thick. In a small bowl, add the paprika, the chili powder or cayenne pepper, the onion powder, dried thyme, black pepper, white pepper, salt, and garlic powder, and stir all the spices together. Using paper towels, you're going to pat the pork chop pieces dry. This allows the spices to stick to the meat and also helps it sear really well. Rub the pork chops with some olive oil on both sides. I find it easiest to use my hands. And then sprinkle the spices onto the pork chops, just divide it evenly amongst all the 3 pieces. If you want to use less spice, you can do that. I like to use a lot of spice because I just really like the flavor. Preheat the air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Spray the air fryer basket with some oil and transfer your pork chops to the basket. I'm using an Instant Pot brand Duo Crisp air fryer and it doesn't have a lot of capacity, so if you have a larger capacity air fryer, you can probably scale the recipe up and cook more pieces. Air fry the pork chops at 380 degrees for 13 minutes. Halfway into the cooking time, flip the pork chops using a spatula or tongs and continue cooking for the remainder of the time. If you have a different brand of air fryer, about 2 minutes before the time is up, check on the pork chops and measure the internal temperature of the meat. The pork chops are done when the internal temperature, as measured by a digital thermometer, is at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the meat rest for 5 minutes before serving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.